guys, it's a brand new morning. It's our last full day here in Tokyo, Japan.
Few days? You meant tomorrow?
Tomorrow we're leaving na. Hey guys, me and my sister is we're in Don Quixote. We're back in this arcade. In my previous vlog, you would know what happened here. This exact same position. Oh, that's so cute! I want that Snoopy. It's still the same. Oh, it's still the same, guys. Are you happy, mommy? Walking, and then we saw these things. It's so cute. There's more.
Looks like you.
Looks like you. No, it's you.
And there's our parents.
Bro, I can't keep up. Hi guys. So
She won't shut up.
Looking for the store. And there's my annoying bratty sister.
Basher number 1 of us.
Yeah. And there's my parents. If they don't feed us in the next 1 hour,
We will lose it.
Yung bag po yung isip nyo.
What about us?
there's melons. And there's ano yan? Zucchini, cucumber. Yeah, so good. Thank mommy. Thank you to mommy. Thanks mommy. Yummy? It's like the one in Eastwood, no? But better. The original. Legit.
Hi guys! Diba? Nasa Divisoria lang kami. Pero magtataka ka, maraming singkit sa Divisoria. Tsaka mabango. Huh? Nakakita na ba kayo ng strawberry grape sa Divisoria?
In this takoyaki shop, so many people eating, and ang daming parang yes. We bought this takoyaki, 500 yen, and you get to put the toppings. We're now going to Ginza, then Shinjuku, then back to Shibuya. Now we're leaving Ueno. Yeah. Bye bye.
Oh, stop!
We're in Ginza. Look at this view. Oh, this This is where you... We're in Ginza, looking for a designer brand she wants. Ginza Place.
Dati mag-bring yung cellphone.
Let's go.
We're here in Greenbelt. Aming Glorieta. Bye.
Mama, hindi naman masyadong kita sa pic unless i-ganon nyo. Uniqlo!
Oh, this is the biggest thing.
Oh, yeah. So big, ah.
So the other two is this one.
Yes, here and here. How to use only three. Yes, please don't use it.
Okay, and then if I have to change, I just have to pull this up?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
And then separate here.
Okay.
And pick up the new one and
Okay, got it.
Got the perfume. Yeah. Now we're gonna go tax refund.
Hi, baby.
Very special. Hi, Mommy. Where's your bag?
I'll be back just a moment. Okay.
Coke from Celine. Water from Celine.
Here, guys, we're here in, what do you call this? Oh, so high. We're here in Sibuyas Crossing again, guys. I don't know why people always crossing this crossing. is very crossing us.
Someone stepped on my foot.
See you later.
Get this. Those are mine, both.
This is pan?
No, this is magkaibang sashimi tinikman ko. Fried takoyaki. Shrimp. No, kailan mami ito. Tigisa tayo doon. Oh, sorry. Okay. Like 40 minutes later. Lips.
Ito yung to yung ginagamit pang...
Get it. Careful. Down.
Maybe don't have spoon.
Daddy will get spoon. Mom is not yet done. And guys, I got the new Celine shoes. You know, a guest bag with Celine shoes. Kamukha guys, no?
Chubby cheeks.
Yeah, we're sure should go.
Ano itong isa sa iyo?
Full. Water time.
We devoured 20, I'm focused, 25 plates. And then here are ordered items.
Oh.
We got shrimp tempura, fried takoyaki, seared shrimp mayo, normal marinated vegan tuna, normal tuna, shrimp, with these sauces, egg caviar roll, sukiyaki style with scallion, shrimp salad, onion ring, normal premium tuna, normal chili, salt, shrimp,
Normal shrimp tempura, sushi, fluffy, snow shave, ice, strawberry.
Mas mahal siguro dito kasi nasa Philippines. Parang 120 lang yung sa atin dati.
and tits.
We made mommy bro.
The mess.
Ba yun? Si Mami. Si Mami.
Ako sa tabi ni Ganda dapat yun.
Saan kayo tumitingin? Sa camera.
Ng malaking phone?
Ay!
Okay. Try 1, 1, 2,
Shibuya crossing again, guys! We are the Cup family. Arigato makikiraan.
It's our last day here in Shibuya. Actually, in Japan in general. Aww. Last day.
Ate is sad. She did not get my cap.
Oh.
With pizza.
One of her favorite low-key ramen places. Then we're going to Donkey. Mega Donkey. I love Mega Donkey. Last Don Quixote, I think.
My sister is crying.
Ay, may beret.
Show me. I'm the star of this.
Diba sobrang pa sa sushi? Oh, ano ba si Daddy? Ano ba pagkain? Ang ganda white shirt tapos ano? Oh, nice new cap. Saan po branch ng New Year nakuha? Branches. Honey! Guys, I'm so sad. We're leaving. It's our last day tomorrow. Bye, Shibuya.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Atis Vlog.
Oh my God, my dearly beloved Shibuya. I will miss you forever.
Crossing again. Walang katapusang crossing.
Hachiko. Bye. Shibuya. Bye-bye, Shibuya. So far, and then Hachiko over there. The Shibuya station. Oh, the cute. So sad, guys. It's saddening. But it was very well spent day, literally and figuratively. It's our last night in Japan. At the last day, todo. Bye-bye, Otsuka Station.